all marketing companies are likely to add 35 to 40 million tons of crude oil refining capacity and take the installed base to 295 metric tons by fiscal 2030 to meet the rising consumption forecast, as the current capacities are already being optimally utilized at 100 to 103%. This will require a capital expenditure of Rs 1.9 to 2.2 trillion, with most of the incremental capacity additions coming up in brownfield expansions. In the decade through fiscal 2024, the country's refining capacity increased by 42 metric tons to 257 metric tons, primarily to cater to the growing domestic consumption, as exports remained range-bound at 60 to 65 metric tons during these years, according to a CRISIL analysis. Domestic intake of petroleum products clipped at a compound annual growth rate of 4% in the past decade. Transport fuels, accounting for 56% of demand, grew 4%, while naphtha, 7% of consumption, grew 2%. The rest of the consumption pie, comprising liquefied petroleum gas and bitumen among others, cumulatively grew almost 4%. Within transport fuels, diesel, 40% of consumption, grew 3%, petrol, 13.5% of consumption, grew 8%, and jet fuel, 3% of consumption, grew 4%. Anuj Sethi, a senior director with the rating company, expects overall petroleum product consumption to slightly moderate and register 3% annually through the next 6 years, primarily due to slower growth of 2 to 3% in transport fuel demand as fuel economy improves, with the rising share of vehicle sales with alternative cleaner fuels and 20% ethanol blending target proposed by the government. Amongst transport fuels, 75% of diesel sale is linked to commercial vehicles, wherein a move towards electric vehicles or usage of natural gas by buses will lower diesel demand, thereby moderating growth to 2.5% per annum over the next 6 years, he said.